How to copy TikTok profile link URL. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on Edit at the top, which is beside your name. After you've pressed on Edit in here, it will lead you to this page, and below your username you will find a link. Simply click on Copy Link in there. After you have copied the link, you can simply send this link to anyone. And if anybody clicks on the link, it will open this page, which is your profile on TikTok. This is how to copy TikTok profile URL. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.